Hey guys, Mason here. Welcome back to the Sweet Spot. If it's your first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and you'll get 2 wonderful recipes every week. Also, while you're down there, you'll see the full written recipe and list of ingredients with their measurements and weights. Continuing with our Halloween series today, we're making something a little bit different. This is for all of the adults out there. This is an alcoholic beverage, and we're making a mulled wine cider. It has mulled apple cider in the mulled wine, and it makes all the difference in the world. You can make this non-alcoholic. Just substitute apple cider for the wine that we put in here. It will be mulled cider then, but it's still just as good. So if you all want the recipe, stick around and we'll get started. Alright, to get started we have a list of ingredients. We have a whole bottle of red wine. Any kind of red wine will do. If it's cheap, it's totally fine. It doesn't have to be the best wine out there. We have 2 cups of apple cider, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 6 cloves, 2 oranges, 1 lemon, half a cup of brown sugar, and half a cup of white sugar. Alright, so what we're going to do with our oranges and our lemon, we actually want some of the peel in this, and we also want the juices. So follow me along and I'll show you what we're going to do. You're going to get a good chunk of the peel from the outside. And you want it like that. We're going to just twist this into our pot. We're going to do 1 whole orange peel and the juice from both of them. But we're going to save one to float around with our cloves in it. I'll show you how to do that next. Alright, now that we've gotten both of our oranges juiced and the peel of one in our pot, we're going to do that with half of a lemon, and the other half we're going to use to put our cloves in. So we're going to take one of these, just juice it. This will really brighten up your mixture. Okay, now with the last orange, we're going to leave it whole. We're not going to juice it. We're going to take our 6 cloves and poke those right in. Alright, now in our pot, we're going to add both of our sugars, granulated and brown, both of our spices, and the 2 cups of apple cider. Alright, now we're going to turn this onto medium heat, and we're going to bring this to the boil to reduce down to a syrup. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it starts to thicken up. Alright, so it's coming to the boil. We're just boiling off the water content that was in that apple cider. This is going to leave us with a nice syrup to add our wine to. Now you need a big pot because it will foam up really big like this. Alright, now we're going to turn it down to low and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. We're going to add our wine. And leave this to simmer covered for, like I said, 5 to 10 minutes.